ionization process in an artificial environment such as the electrolysis process we were talking before, what I failed to mention was the polarization of the human body with a positive and negative charge. Now if we introduce the human body into the field, then the human body becomes part of the electrolyte. That means that the bloodstream, which has a high sodium level, becomes part of that electrolyte. Now polarizing the body in such a apparatus will cause the impurities in the blood to be polarized and will come out of the human bodies through the skin and wind up in the actual water solution itself, thereby also absorbing levels of oxygen, which has a recharging effect on the human body. There are various complexities through this process also, where the electron flow is interrupted by various frequencies. Now these frequencies have resonant properties. When I say resonant, it's like two strings that are identically tuned on a guitar. You strike one and the other will resonate in sympathy with it. That process happens in the human body and can be stimulated artificially by introducing various frequencies which will activate various organs to let go of toxins, stimulate the brain and various other parts of the human body in that process. The quality of water that we drink from day to day is also very important, and we should avoid waters which are low in energy wherever possible. And of course avoid chlorinated water if that's possible, because chlorine has a very nasty effect on the human body. I'd like to touch briefly on hydration. All of us know about hydration and we tend to quench thirst believing that will prevent hydration. In most cases this is not so. The body actually requires salt to quench thirst. I believe that's the reason why we drink a lot of beer, because it's the salt which is in the beer that satisfies that craving. In general thought, hydration is quickly overcome by drinking sugared waters, and hence the reason why we have a lot of soft drinks on the market. But because of the high level of carbohydrates, it takes its toll on the human nervous system, also the brain and the body, leading to what I believe is what we call obesity.